this video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at down below. Tap the 3 lines at the top right. Click Account Center. Scroll down to the Account Settings options. Tap Personal Details. Then click Account Ownership and Control. Next, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, you have to choose the account you want to delete. Here, you will choose if you just want to temporarily deactivate your account or permanently remove your account on Instagram. I will select the Delete account. Now, choose a reason you want to delete your account. I will go with something else. Then click Continue. You will have to input your password, then click on Continue. You will be able to cancel your deletion within 30 days. Then after that, your account will be permanently deleted on Instagram and cannot be retrieved back. I will go ahead and click Delete Account, and that will delete that account permanently. Hope you find the video helpful. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.